Are you from around here?
Yes, I grew up in this town.
Do you have any siblings?
I have one brother and one sister.
How's the weather today?
It's cloudy and a bit chilly.
What's your favorite subject in school?
I enjoy science and math.
Do you enjoy going to the park?
Yes, I love spending time outdoors.
How's your day been so far?
It's been quite busy, but good.
What's your favorite type of movie?
I like romantic comedies.
Do you have a favorite restaurant?
Yes, I enjoy the Mexican restaurant downtown.
How do you like to relax?
I like reading and listening to music.
What's your favorite type of food?
I really like Italian cuisine.
Do you have any plans for the weekend?
I'm going to a friend's birthday party.
How do you commute to work?
I take the bus to the office.
What's your favorite kind of drink?
I enjoy a good cup of coffee.
Do you like going to the zoo?
Yes, I find it fun and educational.
How do you spend your evenings?
I usually watch TV and unwind.
What's your favorite holiday tradition?
I love decorating the Christmas tree.
Do you like to go hiking?
Yes, I enjoy exploring nature trails.
How do you like your eggs cooked?
I prefer them scrambled.
What's your favorite TV show?
I like watching crime dramas.
Do you have any pets?
No, I don't have any pets right now.
How do you stay motivated?
I set goals and reward myself.
What's your favorite flavor of ice cream?
I love chocolate chip cookie dough.
Do you enjoy going to museums?
Yes, I find them quite interesting.
How do you handle difficult situations?
I stay calm and think through the problem.
What's your favorite type of dessert?
I enjoy fruit salads.
Do you like going to the gym?
Yes, I work out a few times a week.
How do you like to spend your summers?
I like going to the beach and swimming.
What's your favorite childhood memory?
I loved playing hide and seek with friends.
Do you enjoy shopping for clothes?
Not really, I prefer online shopping.
How do you celebrate your achievements?
I treat myself to something special.
What's your favorite type of flower?
I like roses and sunflowers.
Do you like going to the theater?
Yes, I enjoy watching live performances.
How do you handle time management?
I make to-do lists and use a planner.
What's your favorite outdoor activity?
I like going for picnics in the park.
Do you enjoy taking photographs?
Yes, I love capturing memories.
How do you deal with a bad day?
I try to do something that relaxes me.
What's your favorite season of the year?
I enjoy the fall season.
Do you like going to art galleries?
Yes, I find art exhibitions fascinating.
How do you celebrate special occasions?
I usually have a small get-together with friends.
What's your favorite kind of candy?
I like gummy bears.
Do you enjoy going to concerts?
Yes, I love listening to live music.
How do you stay positive?
I focus on the good things in life.
How do you stay positive?
I focus on the good things in life.
What's your favorite type of weather?
I enjoy sunny and warm days.